Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel, and today we have a very interesting topic. I hope you will like it. We are going to talk about some adverbs. So, let's start. Прислівники частоти. Adverbs of frequency. Yeah, we are going to talk about some adverbs that are like some markers of tenses. And we are starting with, let's do it with present tense. And maybe in the next videos we are going to learn these adverbs, but in other tenses. Write me in the comment if you want this video. Вивчимо нові слова. Let's learn some new words. So, we are talking about теперішній час, present tense. So, here are our words, not so much. Завжди, always. Зазвичай, usually. Інколи, sometimes. Ніколи, never. Кожного дня, every day. Кожного тижня, every week, кожного місяця, every month, кожного року, every year. Один раз на тиждень, once a week, один раз на місяць, once a month, один раз на рік, once a year. 2, 3, 4 рази. На тиждень, на місяць, на рік. Twice, 3 times, 4 times a week, months, a year. So you see, with the numbers 2, 3, 4, we have this form, рази. After 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on, we have разів. I talked about it in my video about numerals and numbers in Ukrainian, so check it. If I won't forget, I put it in the description or somewhere there like a hint. So, we have learned some words. Let's go and find out where these words are situated.
Інколи так багато слів.
Місце розташування. The place where we put these adverbs. In any place. It can be between the subject and the verb. Like, ми зазвичай зустрічаємося у кафе. We usually meet at the cafe. Subject ми, verb зустрічаємося. Зазвичай, usually between. Like in English. But sometimes we can place this into the beginning of the sentence. Зазвичай ми зустрічаємося у кафе. Usually we meet at the cafe. And it's more conversational, the third variant. It's not really correct, but we can place this adverb at the end of the sentence to like emphasizing it. Ми зустрічаємося у кафе зазвичай. We meet at the cafe usually. So we just emphasize on this word that we do it usually, and it's important. So, usually, but not now maybe. So we can paste it there. The same with the word завжди, always. Він завжди робить домашні завдання. He always does his homework. Він, subject, робить, verb, and завжди, always, is between. Завжди він це робить. We can place always in the beginning of the sentence, and here I like to express our annoying. Завжди він це робить. Always he does it. So, to emphasize in the word, we can put it in the beginning of the sentence. Він це робить завжди. He does it always, again. So, it's just to emphasize that he does it always, and always it's really important here. Again, These two variants are more conversational, but you can hear such variants too. Інколи, sometimes. Інколи ми ходимо у кіно. Sometimes we go to the cinema. So, the most common place for this word is the beginning of the sentence. But we can also place it between subject and verb. Ми інколи ходимо у кіно. We sometimes go to the cinema. So, between subject and verb. And it's okay. And again, conversational variant, but you can hear it too. Ми ходимо у кіно інколи. We go to the cinema sometimes. Інколи. Not usually. Yes. And we emphasize in this word. We want to just say that it's інколи is important. Ми ходимо у кіно. We go to the cinema. Sometimes. Інколи. Yes. And the last one. With the word ніколи, never, we have double negative here. Yes, we don't have double negative in English. Never. But in Ukrainian we have it. So it's important to place. Ми ніколи цього не робили. We never did this, but like if you word by word, we never. This not done. Something like this. We never did this. Ми ніколи цього не робили. Yeah. Like this. Ніколи ми цього не робили. Never we did this. Again, не before the verb because it's important to double negative. That's it. But it's negative sentence, yeah. Ми цього не робили ніколи. We have done this never. So, in the end of the sentences. So, the usual, the common place, it's after the subject, Ніколи. And these two variants are more conversational, but you can hear it in the common speech. So, here and here. So, here is the place where we can place these words. So, it's common, just you see that in Ukrainian we sometimes use intonation or the place of the verb to emphasize on it if we need it for the sense. So just hear the examples and you can see that we can meet everywhere. But the common it's the common situation зазвичай between the subject and verb завжди between the subject and verb, інколи at the beginning of the sentence, and ніколи after the subject.
Буду завжди.
Місце розташування. Let's continue talking about the places of these adverbs. So here we have every day, or 2 times or twice a week, and so on. We can place this, for example, at the beginning. Кожного дня він ходить на роботу. Every day he goes to work. Я тобі кожного дня це говорю. I tell you every day this. Yes, so я тобі, I to you, every day this tell. Yes. But this variant too. Я тобі кожного дня це говорю. So this is more conversational. Вона дзвонить своїм батькам кожного дня. She calls to her parents every day. This part is conversational, but actually it's in the beginning or in the end of the sentence. That's grammatically correct. 2 рази на тиждень у нас заняття з української мови. Twice a week we have classes in Ukrainian. Yes, at the beginning it's okay. У нас 2 рази на тиждень заняття з української мови. We have twice a week classes in Ukrainian. So, yes, we can place it here in the middle of the sentences. We have twice a week, yes. So, у нас заняття з української мови 2 рази на тиждень. We have classes in Ukrainian 2 times a week. So, the common is in the beginning or in the end. And this part is like conversational, but you can hear it too. Okay. Let's go to practice a little bit.
Я був і є завжди з тобою кожного дня.
Потренуємося. Practice. I have some questions for you. And our practice is today, let's answer it. So, this question. Що ви робите кожного дня? What do you do every day? Think about it, write down, maybe even in the comments. And then I will give you my variant. Ви інколи відвідуєте кінотеатр? Do you sometimes visit the cinema? So, again, in the question, sometimes between noun and verb. Скільки разів на тиждень у вас заняття з української мови? How many times a week do you have classes in Ukrainian? Ви завжди таки впевнені у собі? Are you always so sure in yourself? So, try to stop this video, answer these questions, and now I'm giving you my variants. Відповіді, answers. So here my variants. So first question. Кожного дня я ходжу на роботу. Every day I go to work. Що ви робите кожного дня? What do you do every day? Кожного дня я ходжу на роботу. Every day I go to work. Ви інколи відвідуєте кінотеатр? Так, я інколи відвідую кінотеатр з друзями. Yes, I sometimes visit the cinema with my friends. Okay, so інколи replaced between subject and verb. В мене заняття з української мови 2 рази на тиждень. I have classes in Ukrainian 2 times a week. Or twice a week. Ні, я не завжди впевнена у собі. Інколи я сумніваюся. No, I'm not always sure in myself. Sometimes I doubt in myself. So, here are my answers. So, I want to see your answers. If this topic is not clear for you, write me in the comments. And I will try to explain it once more. And I'm waiting for your ideas for the next videos.
Ніколи не забудь.
So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was clear and very informative. So please give this video a huge thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel not to miss any other videos. Leave your comments if you don't understand something or if you want to give me ideas for new videos. I would be happy to listen to you and to make a video only for you. So please write me. The comments are always open to you. And I hope, will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.